G'day, welcome to Art with Alison. Now I did this painting some time ago, and when it was drying and I thought it had dried, there was a little insect on the top and I thought I could just flick it off, but it actually hadn't dried underneath and my finger went into it and has left a mark, and someone wants to purchase this painting, so I'm going to attempt to make a cell like this over here by using paint and brush. So I shall give this a go. Now the edges are quite transparent, aren't they? So let's see how it goes. It's a bit too bright. There we are. I think that will do. All done. Can you pick it? Let that dry and then varnish it. I like this painting. I think it's so pretty. Anyway, that's what you can do if you go and do something silly like I did and stick your finger in your half-dry paint. Always fix it up later. I'll take you in, you can see those squawking puppies that you might be able to hear in the background. Here they are. They've got blankets, but they don't want to lie on them.